Hello everyone! Julia and little Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw Hello Kitty with heart. Okay guys, what you will need for drawing Hello Kitty with heart today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing guys, so let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's draw Hello Kitty. So let's start drawing our Hello Kitty from her head. So I will just put it in the middle, so the top line will be in the middle of my paper. So I will draw a straight line here, and then I will draw a line up and down, and a line up and down for her ears. And now let's draw two ovals, like on a distance from each other, and a squished oval in the middle for her nose. And now let's draw her head. So I will draw curved line here and curved line here, and then I will draw a line connecting this one. Now it's too flat, so I will just rub it out and make it a little bit wider. So I will go down, down and up like this. And now let's draw 3 lines and 3 lines here. And let's draw her bow. So I will draw a circle here, and now I will draw straight line here and a straight line here and connect them with curved line. The same here, straight line and connect them. Now you can rub out all unnecessary lines, so it makes easy to work with pencils at the beginning, and then you can use markers. And let's draw circles inside, semicircle, squished one for the ball. And now our kitty is holding a big heart, so let's draw this heart. So I will start in the center from down, and I will go for a big heart. So she's holding a big heart, and it's balloons on it, so it can be even squished. And let's draw her paws. So you can draw 1 and 2, and you can draw here something. I will draw I love you, as we are drawing for St. Valentine's Day, and a heart inside, and you. So, and it's curved you like this. And our Hello Kitty is sitting in air balloon, so let's draw a straight line down here, and a curved line connecting it. And now we can draw curved lines just for the pattern, creating like this. If something goes wrong, just rub it out. And here we go. And now let's draw small hearts inside big heart, like it's a lot of balloons here holding our Hello Kitty. So we will draw a heart here. It will be 1 balloon and a line down. So, and you can go with as many balloons as you wish. So, and line here, and 1 more balloon let's draw. And you can color them in different patterns and lines connecting to the basket. And now I will draw 1 more. So I want to keep them in a heart shape. That is why I made this lines, just helpful lines, and I will rub them out. And so we are drawing many hearts just to keep our Hello Kitty flying. And don't forget to draw straight lines connecting with the balloon. If they are a little bit squished, it's absolutely fine. So line going down, and try to feel this shape. And the same here. And they can be different sides, so they can be bigger and smaller. So I have many balloons, and now all we have to do is just to color our Hello Kitty. Okay guys, I'm starting coloring now Hello Kitty with her nose, and I will use yellow and bright pink for her bow. So I will go for bright color, and all the rest I will leave white as she's white. And do you know her real name? Real name of Hello Kitty is Kitty White, so that is why probably she is white, Kitty White. And now let's color her bow. And now we will be coloring balloon with I love you. So I will make bright pink heart inside and use purple for I love you, I and you in this way, and we'll use pale pink for the heart, leaving for her hands, and space, white space. So I will just color it pink. And no rush here, take your time, just enjoy shading, try to keep inside black lines. Here we go, and we can use pink here for her dress, which we can't see, but it's on here, so we'll just color it bright pink, this space. And you can color a balloon with different colors. I will use bright blue, and we'll make it blue and purple. So, and you can use your own colors. So for the basket, and you can use different colors for your balloons, and I will use different colors of pink as it's Valentine's Day, so I will use different shades of pink, bright and pale. So, and you can leave some white space for the spotlight as well, just when shading it. Just coloring a few of them, and then maybe I will color more. We'll see. And you can create different patterns on your balloons, like dots and stripes, why not? So, and some of them I will make bright pink, like fuchsia. This one will also go bright pink. And it will be a beautiful present for Valentine's Day, so you can write your message here and give as a present this beautiful drawing with Hello Kitty. And I love hearts, so I think that they look amazing here, like so many hearts. And I'm looking to see your beautiful drawings, guys. Don't forget to share with me and like and subscribe this video to see new videos. And look, guys, how cute is our Hello Kitty. This is just adorable Hello Kitty we have created today, and it will be a great present for Valentine's Day. Well done, guys! Thank you for watching this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing Hello Kitty with heart with us. And if you enjoy our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks with us. Thank you for watching. We love you, guys. Bye-bye.